Okay, guys, this is very important. Okay, you need to share this with your friends. At 19.5 has been the most critical level we've been watching for many months, and for month after month we've been holding support, and right now as we speak we are literally resistance. All of that can change on the next week or so. Okay, so we have to close our body above this level of 19.5. If we close the body of the candle above the good things will come to Bitcoin. If you close the candle below 19.5, this could be a disaster. It's a Bitcoin crash. Beware. Okay, don't keep your money in Bitcoin because the price can crash down really bad. You have to watch this line like a hawk. This could be explosively close for Bitcoin. Okay, as you get to our next part, you will understand how the power of this brings. Okay, and the another side about the cryptocurrency we trade, we talk about here on the private list today, T-Food, Mark Network, Propy, and Deesse 320% profit on the last 48 hours. If you like to get those crypto pumps on the real time, feel free to reach me out, tradecryptotime@gmail.com. Let's trade together because together we are strong. Okay, keep your eye open on the 19.5 level. Thanks for your time. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.